Good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. P. Kumar, working as professor in the Department of Chemistry at Excel Engineering College, Namakkal. So today I am going to deliver a lecture on lead acid battery for UG B.Tech students. Okay, lead acid battery. So lead acid battery is one of the secondary battery, rechargeable battery. Okay, normally we are using in the automobiles and EVs. Okay, we are using this battery. The components of the lead acid battery includes. So every battery there will be anode. So for lead acid battery, metallic lead will be the anode. Lead oxide PbO2 will be cathode. Electrolyte. Sulfuric acid will be the electrolyte. So accordingly we draw the diagram. So let us assume, so this plane electrodes are lead, okay, which is anode. So the lined one cathode, lead oxide. So we connect anode separately and the cathode separately. So charge for the anode side will be the negative charge. As we know, anodes are electronegative. So electronegative means there is a negative charge. And the cathode is the proton rich. The charge will be the positive charge. This lead and lead oxide, lead anode, lead oxide, cathode. These electrons will be dipped inside the electrolyte. As you know, sulfuric acid will be the electrolyte H2 SO4. Okay. So now we see the cell reaction, how it functions. So normally in electrochemistry, the electron will start from the anodic end. Okay. So the anode with the support of the input current given from the external circuit, the anode will oxidize. Okay, during the oxidation, the anode will pass couple of electrons. The couple of electrons will flow through the circuit and it will reach the cathodic side. Similarly, in the cathode, couple of protons will be lost. The couple of protons will be shared by the anode. At the same time, in the electrolyte, the positive ions, cations from the anode, anions, negative ions from the cathode, they will exchange. Okay, so during the flow of the electrons in the circuit, the current will be generated. So now we see the details in the cell reaction. So first, the anode, the process of losing electron is oxidation. In the cathode, the process of losing proton is the reduction. Okay, so first at anode, lead anode. When the external field given to the lead anode, the lead will lose couple of electrons. After losing 2 electrons, the lead neutral metallic lead will be converted into lead 2 plus. Okay, so this lead 2 plus combined with the negative part of the electrolyte. So what is the electrolyte? Sulfuric acid, H2 SO4. We take 2 molecules. So when we split the ions, 4 H plus and how many SO4? 2 SO4, 2 minus. Okay. So for 1 Pb2 plus, okay, after formation of this Pb2 plus, it will accept the negative ion. Since there is 2 SO4 minus, for one lead only one SO4 is required. Okay, SO4 2 minus. Pb2 plus and SO4 2 minus, that forms PbSO4, lead sulfate. So here we can cancel the similar things. So next we write the components in the left side. Pb plus SO4 2 minus, and right side Pb SO4 plus 2 electrons. So this is the process of oxidation. So during this process 2 electrons are flowing from one lead to 2 electrons. Okay, here there are number of lead electrodes will be there. From the lead electrodes, thousands of lead atoms will be there. So many electrons will flow. So there will be large amount of the current will be generated. So next we see the cathodic side. Lead sulfate, PbO2. So when you split this PbO2, Pb2 plus 2 O minus. 2 O minus. So in the next step, actually this PbO2, by accepting these 2 electrons, these 2 electrons will be converted like this. PbO2 cathode, after accepting these 2 electrons from the anodic reaction, oxidation process, it will accept and this it will come. Okay, so next Pb2 plus positive ion, it will combine with the negative ion of the electrolyte. Since there is only one positive ion, one SO4 2 minus is required. Plus SO4 2 minus. Next negative ion 2O minus. So 2O minus means, so there are 2 oxygen. So as you know, each oxygen there is 2 lone pair electrons, 2 electron deficiency. So 2 oxygen means totally how many deficiency means 4 electron deficiency. This 4 electron deficiency will be fulfilled by 4 hydrogen atoms. You know, one hydrogen have 1 electron. From total 4 hydrogen, we will get 4 electrons. So plus 4H plus, 4H plus, and combine this PbSO4 plus, what is this? 2 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen, 2O. It will give 2 H2 molecules. 2 H2 molecules. So we cancel the similar things as we did previously. Pb2 plus 2O minus, 2O minus. So what is the remaining? PbO2 plus SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus plus 4H plus 2 electrons. Right side PbSO4 plus 2H2O. PbSO4 plus 2H2O. So this is a reaction of oxidation and this is a reaction of reduction. So to indicate the oxidation, we see the electron loss. To indicate the reduction, we see the gain of electron. So next step, we make the redox reaction. Redox reaction means we combine this anodic reaction and the cathodic reaction. So what is anodic reaction? Right here. So anodic reaction, Pb plus SO4 2 minus, Pb lead sulfate plus 2 electrons. And in the cathodic reaction, what is the final reaction? PbO2 plus SO4 2 minus plus 4H plus 2 electrons is lead sulfate plus 2 H2O. We can cancel the similar things. PbO2, sorry, PbSO, not this one. Okay. So Pb, there is no nothing can be cancelled. Okay. So this Pb plus PbO2, I have taken this Pb lead and this lead oxide. And you see here there are 4H plus and 2 SO4 2 minus. That means 4H plus ions and 2 sulfate ions. We can derive how many H2SO4? 2 H2SO4. 2 H2SO4. Okay, 2 H2SO4. Yeah, and 2 electron and 2 electron will be cancelled. So redox means we usually put the reversible equation. On right side, PbSO4, Pb totally 2 lead sulfate. 2 lead sulfate plus 2 H2O plus energy. This energy approximately 0.249 moles. So from one pair of lead anode and lead oxide, finally we are getting 0.249 volts of current. Okay, so accordingly from the each lead atom, lead anode, and there will be so many lead anodes, so many lead cathodes. From that we will get large amount of the current. As much as we increase the anode, lead anode and cathode, so from this setup we can see only 2. Okay, if we want to generate, depending upon the capacity where we want to use, we can increase the number of anodes and number of cathodes. Okay, so like this we can get more amount of the current. So this battery is normally we are using in the automobiles and EV system. Okay, thank you.